Good morning students. In this video I will explain you the first poem from Beehive book, and the poem name is The Road Not Taken. Student, this poem is composed by Robert Frost. He is a famous American poet. This well-known poem is about making choices and the choices that shape us. Writes simply but insightfully about common, ordinary experiences. Students, see your poem. The two roads diverged in a yellow wood, and sorry I could not travel both. And be one traveler, long I stood and looked down one as far as I could to where it went in the undergrowth. Students, in this poem, in these lines, the poet explains once the poet was walking down on a road, and then there was a diversion. There were two different paths, and he had to choose one out them. The poet says that as he was one person, he could travel one one road only. He had to choose one out of these two roads, and then students then took the other just as fair and having perhaps the better claim because it was grassy and wanted wear, though as far that the passing there had warned them really about the same. Student, the poet kept on looking at one path for a long time to check it was the right path for him or not. Then he decided and started walking on another path because he felt that both he paths the paths were equally good. He said just as fair as he felt that both paths were equally good and started walking on one of them. He adds he adds maybe he felt that the path was better for him. So, even in our life, we take any path or option, but all of them have the same benefits, advantages, problems, challenges, and we must face. Student and both that morning equally lay in leave no step had trodden Blake. Oh, I kept the first for another day, yet knowing how may lead on to way. I doubted if I should ever come back. Students, in these lines, the poet explains that both the paths were similar that morning. Both had leaves on them, and no one had stepped on them as they were still green in color. He decided that the day he would take one path and keep the other path for another day. Similarly, even in our life, once we choose an option, we must keep on moving ahead with that option, and we never get a chance to come back and take the other option that we had left earlier. I shall be telling this with a sigh. Somewhere, edges and edges hence, two roads diverged in a wood, and I took the one less traveled by, and that has made all the differences. Students, the author says that in the future he will take a deep breath and say that once upon a time he had reached such point in a life that there were two options for him, and he traveled on the road which had been traveled by lesser number of people. That decision of his made his future. Similarly, in future when you grow up, then you will say that once upon a time when you were young, you had two options. The choice that you made you what you become it. This is very strong message for all the students that you should be wise and be careful while making choices out of the option that have in your life because your future depends on the choices that you make today. And now students, for your better help, I have given you some questions of the answer that you have to write in your copy and learn it. And students, in this poem, a rhyme scheme is A B A B A B. Symbolism two roads which represents two or more choices in life. And now students, The figure of speech is used alliteration as wanted where means W sound is repeating. First for F sound is repeating and though that the sound is repeating. Repetition edges is repeated. Two roads diverge in a wood. This sentence is repeated in the stanza first and four. Now students, you have to write all these questions in your copy. Thank you and have a nice day.